Hey there everyone, Dave Ledger here with another set of tutorial videos. This time we're going to be looking at iMovie. First of all, we're going to look at layout. So as you'll notice up top, you've got a selection of projects already on this machine. Right now this window's in project library mode, and this is simply iMovie's facility for showing you how all your projects are organised. So if you notice, all of our projects are on the data drive right now. This window, once you've created a new project or selected an existing one, also reveals your edit window or your canvas. That's where you do all of the really fun stuff. Your footage is stored in the event library. The event library is basically the same as your project library, but it's used for organising all the raw footage that's come off your camera. Your purple stars, they all represent the folders iMovie's organised your footage into. When you're naming these folders, make sure you choose a name that clearly shows what project it's associated with as well, otherwise stuff will go missing. And then up in the top right, it's your viewer for previewing the different bits of footage. So, creating your own footage. First of all, you want to make sure the data drive is selected. Now if you don't know anything about video, it needs fast disk access to work properly. The data drive is a drive right there on the machine in front of you. This gives you the speed you need to edit effectively. If you run your project and footage off Macintosh HD, effectively you're running off a server which is shared by 400 people. Not only is it going to be painfully slow, but you're likely to lose your work. It'll be really unstable. Please remember though, the data drive is a shared work area. If it starts running low on memory, people will start deleting things. So make sure you've backed up your stuff. If you're not sure how to do that, you need to check out, it's the third or fourth video in this playlist. It covers all of that. Good, so now we know where to store everything. To get started creating our first project, all we do is click the plus icon. You've got a number of choices here. We're just going to stick with no theme, and I'm going to call it Dave Demo, and then I'm going to put the date. So that is I believe it's the 11th. And I'm going to put Dave L in case some of the people called Dave use it, because there's a lot of people called Dave. Create. Okay, so our project is now stored in the correct place, but there's nothing in it. So we need to get some footage on the machine now. So what I'm going to do is click on this camera icon. If you've connected your camera up to the computer, when you click on that, your footage should be arranged here as so. Now right now it's in automatic import mode, so if I clicked import, it would import every clip there, but I only want to import certain things, so I'm going to select manual. And what this does, it gives you the option to choose whatever clip you want to import. So I'm going to uncheck all of them, and I'm just going to import my friend Tom eating a bug. And the save to location. Now we're looking at file management. This is important. You guys need to choose the data drive on your computer. I'll stress that again. I'm going to give it the same name as the project, so they kind of link up. So I think it's the 11th. I've forgotten what the date was already. Optimize video full original size, so we don't lose any quality. Okay, so now footage is done importing. We can have a look around now. You'll notice on the data drive in the event library, we've got a new event called Dave Ledger Demo 11.10.13, and our recently imported footage is all in there. It's got the same name as the project up top, so we're good to go.